Have you ever wondered why your favorite sauce stays perfectly smooth, or how yogurt maintains its creamy, stable texture? It all starts with a simple, natural ingredient: starch. Harvested from sources like corn and potatoes, it's a staple of our daily lives. But to handle the rigors of modern processing, we need native starch to do more. This is where modified starch comes in. By altering its molecular structure, we create a more resilient version that resists heat, acid, and the harsh conditions of freezing. In the lab, we examine how these granules behave under stress, ensuring they provide the perfect thickness and long-term stability. Physical modification uses heat and pressure to change the starch's properties without the use of additional chemicals. Enzymatic methods use natural biological processes to precisely break down and reorganize starch polymers for specific functions. Chemical modification introduces cross-linking, creating a reinforced molecular net that keeps products stable even in extreme conditions. In the food industry, it creates the perfect cheese pull and keeps sauces looking glossy and appetizing through every bite. It prevents moisture loss in frozen convenience meals, ensuring they taste fresh and retain their texture after defrosting. Beyond food, it's essential in pharmaceuticals for tablet disintegration and in the production of high-quality coated paper. Modified starch, the science of stability, texture, and versatility, powering the products we rely on every single day.